This is the light stand. Many people think it's a tripod, but it's similar, but this is called a light stand. This is the stand that the ring light will go on top of. Now I'm opening the box that all the accessories came in. It has a DC power supply that you plug into the back of the light, and it comes with a few accessories. It's a 16 buff in the dark. As you can see, there's a remote, there's a phone clamp, there is a Bluetooth remote control, that is a ball head fluid joint. This is a really nice bag. This is how it came packaged. It has a really nice feel to it. As you can see, I'm pulling out the ring light, and it's 18 inches, so it's really big to fit into the frame. The remote that's included doesn't come with batteries, so just to let you all know. So I'm assembling the ring light. That's the ring light stand, and that's the ring light itself. Again, 18 inches. I'm showing you the inside of the bag. It has a nice material and a little padding, so when you store away the ring light, nothing will get easily broken. This is the pouch that's included inside the bag. This is where you can store your accessories. And there's a Velcro clamp to keep everything in there and it won't slide out or fall out. Okay, this is where you store the light. So as you can see, if you put the light with the bottom part up, you won't be able to close it, but if you turn it to the side, then you can close the bag. This is how it comes. Nice package. Unfortunately, the light stand does not fit in the bag, but everything else does. The accessory, the ring light itself, all fits in this nice material bag where you can store everything away. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube at TayTGC.